Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Data with EG. Today I'm back with another easy level interview question which was asked in RobinHood. This question is interesting as it has the concept of joins in it. Let's read the question. Assume you have given the tables containing completed trade orders and user details in a Robinhood trading system. Write a query to retrieve the top three cities that have the highest number of completed trades orders listed in descending order. Output the city name and corresponding number of completed trade orders. In this question, we have two tables, trades and uses. Now that we have read the question, it's time to use the success framework to solve the question. So the first step is to explore the data inside both the tables. For the, let's first explore the trades table. In the given data, we have five attributes in the trades table, out of which the order ID is the primary key and the user ID is the foreign key. For benefit of those who do not know, a primary key is a non-null unique identifier column for any given table. In this case, order ID is the primary key. Similarly, foreign key is a primary key of another table used to establish a relationship between both the tables. In this case, user ID is the foreign key. Now let's explore the users table. S- So as you can see, user ID is the primary key for this table, and we are only concerned with the city column here. Now let's look at the output which is expected and try to understand it. So in output, we are desired to have a column city and the total orders, which is nothing but a count of order IDs, and they are sorted in descending order by the total count, and only three records are being displayed. So now that we have understood both the output and the question, let's start writing the query. As the first step, I will join both the tables together using inner join. I'll give the trades table an alias called as T, and I'll join it with the table users, and I'll give the users table an alias U, and the joining column would be the user ID as it is the foreign key in trades table and primary key in the user table. So let's see the output. Yeah, so both the tables have been joined together. In this question, we are only interested in the records in which the user IDs are present in both the tables, which is why I have used inner join instead of any other type of join. Moving on, let's filter all the trades which have the status equal to completed as it is demanded in the question. So I'll add a where clause here where t dot status, which is coming from the trades column, equals completed. Right. So we have filtered out all the records for orders which are completed. Now let's count the total number of orders in each of the city. So to do that, I'll first only select the required columns, which is the city from users and order ID from the trade. Yeah, as you can see, we have different cities and respective order IDs. Now we have to count these order IDs. So I'll use a count function on the order ID column and I'll name it as total orders. Since we are using an aggregation, it is mandatory to use a group by clause on the non-aggregated column. So let's group the output by u.city. Yeah, so we have in the output, we have four records: Boston, Denver, New York, and San Francisco with the respective total number of orders. Now need to order the entire output by the in descending order by the total orders. So let's do that. Right. It's an ascending because by default, SQL uses an ascending order whenever you use a order by clause. Yeah. Now the output is sorted in the descending order of total orders. And as the question says, we only want the top three cities. So I'll use a limit function here and limit the output to 3 records. Yeah, let's submit this. Perfect. As you can see, our query is giving the desired output. If anyone has a better or more interesting way of solving this question, do let me know in the comment section. That's it for today, and I'll be back with more questions in the future. Thank you.